Welcome. You are watching the very first episode of On Location. I'm Jonathan Andrews with Hornet Realty. We're here to talk about 5 loan options that you need to know about if you're thinking about buying a house, if you're looking and kind of wondering what's going on. 5 loan options you need to know about. So here they come. All right, so number 1. If you're thinking about buying a house, let's say it needs a lot of repair work done to it, but you don't necessarily have the $40,000, $50,000 worth of cash to put into a home to bring it up to standards of living for you. What you can do, Movement Mortgage has a great loan product called FHA 203K loan. It's fantastic. They can give you from $35,000 on up to fix up a property. I work with a lot with Teresa Green of the Green Team. Check them out if you don't have anyone, but otherwise ask your loan officer about that product. Second one, let's say you want to buy a house, but you don't really have a lot of money to put down on a home. And it's in Mecklenburg or Cabarrus or Union counties. And you're like, man, I really want to buy a house, but I don't have a lot of down payment money. Well, First Citizens Bank, you can contact Derek Wilson off Providence Road. First Citizens Bank has a fantastic program where they will give you 100% financing, no mortgage insurance. So again, that's no money out of pocket to you, so long as the seller covers closing costs. No money out of pocket to you. First Citizens Bank has a great 100% program. All right, so third option, let's say you're a physician or you're in medical school or something physician related. And a lot of times you have a lot of debt from your from your classes and from your school and from your college and just everything that went into that. So really from a debt to income, you can't really qualify for a loan. Well, Suntrust has a great program that is specific to physicians. It's a physician's loan. Suntrust Bank, they're fantastic. Reach out to them. Again, they can maybe qualify you for a loan, whereas anyone that doesn't have a physician-specific program available, look into that. Okay, so number 4, let's say you want to purchase a house. Again, you don't have a lot of money to put down, but it's outside of Mecklenburg, Cabarrus, or Union County. Wells Fargo has a great program, 2% down. We were at 100, this is 2% down. Fantastic program. You can contact anyone within Wells Fargo. Liz Chardy's great. But again, 2% down Wells Fargo program. There is no mortgage insurance, which is fantastic. Unlike a typical FHA loan that's gonna have mortgage insurance, this is fantastic. So number 5, I want to tell you about last one. It's not a loan product. It's basically free money to you. If you live within the city limits of Charlotte, and there are other certain qualifications you can talk to your loan officer about, and certain sections, certain pockets of Charlotte. House Charlotte is a program that will give you up to $7,500 towards the purchase of your home. So you can use that on closing costs, down payment, whatever you need to use it for, $7,500 from the House Charlotte program. Again, talk to your loan officer about that or your real estate agent. Okay, so that's it. You guys were excellent. I'm your host, Jonathan, with Jonathan Andrews with Hornet Realty. This is the very first episode. Mark this down, very first episode of On Location. You guys were great. And make sure to subscribe. If you're watching this on YouTube, Facebook, make sure to share this with your friends, whatever it is. Look forward to seeing you next time. All right, so that's it. You guys were awesome. You tuned in to the very first episode, You tuned in to the very first episode of House Charlotte. The very first. All right.
Ready?
Yeah.
All right, go for it.